another video. So we're actually on our way. Where are we going, baby? So today's just mommy and Amira, and we're going to the supermarket, and I'm going to attempt to show you guys kind of like our shop, and just to give you guys an idea of like the pricing of stuff, because I get a lot of questions like this. So I'm gonna attempt to do like a grocery shop with you guys and just kind of give you guys an idea of the pricing of everything, and just a rough idea of our week, I would say weekly shop. Certain things will last a bit longer than a week, but gives you guys a rough idea, because stuff fluctuate. Like even in terms of God knows what vegetables will be available when we get to the supermarket. God knows what the prices will be like, and we're trying to do this whole healthy thing. So yeah, I'll also show you guys the pricing of baby stuff. So in terms of diapers and stuff like that, we're not actually getting those today because I topped up on those recently, but I tend to not buy those in the supermarket because you can get it cheaper from like Price Smart or other places like that. So let's go. Ready, baby? Okay, oh yeah, let's go. We are here. If you didn't know, make sure you bring your bags to the supermarkets in Jamaica because they ban scandal bag. What's your man with a baby mask? The man ever one of the masks them a mirror wear. Mommy! They banned scandal bag. Wait, baby, I'm talking. They banned scandal bags and stuff, so you have to bring your own bags to the store, or else you have to buy it. If you're like me, majority of the time you leave the bags at home and you have to buy more when you get there. But I remembered mine today because I thought of the video. Getting these from Mira, 314, and put in trolley. And all these are taxes are added on after. So for example, we'll get grapes and stuff from outside. If she like pears, this is what the prices would be. We eat lots of pop chow, so we're gonna get 2 of these. $264 for the carrots. Got some string beans, $113. I got 2 of these lettuce things, which is $107. I got the same. Oh, this is a bit more. This is $121 for this one. I got some okra because babe likes okra. I do not like it. $123. And apples I showed you earlier. And then I got 2 pop chow, and that's the same price for those. And I also got some scotches, which was $190 for the bag, I think, because babe eat this like nobody business. And then I got some cabbage, which is $191. Again, if you went to the market and got these, it would be a lot cheaper, but that's just not practical right now, so we're shopping at the supermarket. Okay, so snack, we got crackers. These are about $70–80 a bag. Wait, baby. Then we got chiffon, which is about $171. Bulla, I don't remember the price, but Mira absolutely loves bulla. Got some orange juice, that was $570 something, $570 something. Then these are a few snacks for Mira, which range from about $70 to $80. This I believe is about, yes, 1 second. This one here I believe is about $400 and something for that. And then she snacks on fruits mostly, so this is all we're going to be getting in terms of snack. Next up, we have apple juice for Amira, and this is $80 for one. And we got 3 because she doesn't really drink juices. We mostly give her water. Some cheese for salads and stuff, that's $374. At a typical supermarket, you find most things everywhere. So the generic stuff you'll find everywhere: rice, flour, etc. If for example you wanted products like certain types of yogurts or certain type of cheeses, then you have to go specific supermarkets that tend to be like more central. So if you're like a fussy eater in terms of that, so say for example you're traveling and you're not really into like the local stuff, then you have to go out of your way to go to a supermarket that sells certain types of products. The main supermarkets, like for example my local supermarket, doesn't have outrageous brands and stuff in terms of food because they just cater to, you know, the community and stuff. Obviously shopping in your market or from local farmers is a lot cheaper than shopping in the supermarket, obviously, but for convenience oftentimes I get stuff in the supermarket. But most of the time, well, all the time, my sweet peppers, onions, things like that, that comes from the market. And then the fruits come from like Willica Fruits Man, or you would call that like your local market. In terms of grown provisions, for example plantain, potato, yam, those things I do not buy in the supermarket. I buy those from the local market. Guys, so we just got done shopping. I am so happy I stayed within budget, just about in budget. But the great thing is certain things I got today that I ran out of, I won't need to buy on a weekly basis. For example, my say for example my creamer, I don't use that on a weekly basis. My milks, I don't use that on a weekly basis because I use very little amounts of those. And say for example crackers, we won't be done through all those crackers in a week. So little things like that. Any questions you have read the shopping, definitely comment down below. Amira got a little present because she got rewarded for good behavior and listening skills while shopping in the supermarket. She stayed in the trolley and listened to mommy. She didn't pull anything off the shelves, nothing like that. So she was a good girl, weren't you, baby? Yes, you were a very good girl. So mommy bought you a present, which is a lollipop, right? Present? That's your present. Yeah, because you're a good girl. Mommy? Yes? Tea present? That one. You got it already. I washed her hair not too long ago and put it in 3 plaits and just pinned it back, moisturized it, did her scalp and the whole work. So that's what's happening now. So we're gonna go home. I'm actually gonna make dinner because I'm a bit peckish actually. I'm quite peckish. I have been working all day as usual, as you guys know. I've been working mainly on designing artwork and stuff today, and then tonight when I get home I'm going to be doing some learning book production because I'm working on batch. Lord, I lose focus on which batch I work on right now, honestly. Honestly, your girl just out here grinding, okay? Trying to make sure I can get my baby girl everything she needs, okay? It was wonderful having you guys come shop with us. Any questions you have, definitely let me know down below. And do let me know in terms of pricing how it compares to where you live. So would your supermarket shop be cheaper if you had bought the same things that I did today? Do you guys find it interesting kind of seeing these kinds of videos of like us as a family living in Jamaica? Let me know as well. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know. Do you wear slippers and socks at home?